Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to create your first Canva design from scratch. So click on the create on the top left and enter the size that you want. So for me, I'm going to use this size and the unit is pixel, and click on create a new design. And a blank canvas will appear. And on the left side, you can see a panel full of tools. So you can search anything that you want from here. All right, so let's try to add color to our background. And add our text. You can also change the font. Let's use League Spartan and resize it. Alright, so you can also search for background in the elements. So let's choose a background here. Okay, so we are going to use this background. And let's add objects like this one. And once you're happy with your design, click on the share button at the top right and choose your file type. And that's it.